Hello and welcome to Autodesk ReCap Pro series. In this video, we will see how to import the mesh created from ReCap Pro into the Revit and then add mesh element as a Revit object. For that, in the ReCap Mesh tab, go to Link ReCap Mesh Model. Here you can select the positioning. Once the positioning is selected, you can click on Add Model and click on OK. After importing, you might not see everything, but don't worry, you have here show all and hide all option. So click on show all and you will be able to see all the meshes in the model. If you would like to hide any particular mesh, in here, I would like to hide unclassified mesh and also I would like to hide roofs. So we can hide the unwanted mesh layers. Now, let's say if we would like to convert this framing layer into Revit objects, for that we can come to the layer tab, right click on that particular layer and isolate that particular layer in the view. Once isolated, we can click on add to document. We can select the structural framing, select Revit category. In here, I will select structural framing and click on OK. Verify that converted mesh is a part of Revit. We can go here and unlink the model. And we can see we still have the framing. If we click on any of the element, we can see it's part of structural framing as a Revit object. Let's now see how to convert mesh objects into Revit family. How to convert mesh into the Revit family. In here, let's say I would like to convert this CNC machine into the Revit family. For that, we can go to Export. We'll select Custom. We will uncheck everything else. We'll just select the CNC machine. And in here, we will select this Merge option. So all the surfaces in that layer will be merged to form a single layer. Then we will export it as a single file. We will set up export location, give file a name, and export it to ReCap Mesh Revit file format and click on export. Once exported, we can come back to Revit. We can link the ReCap Mesh model. Once we have this mesh model into Revit, we can click on add to document. So once the mesh is in here, we can click on add to document. We can add it as a mechanical equipment. We can click on OK. So this is now a part of Revit model. Once the mesh is added as a Revit object, we can then promote it to the Revit family. For that, go to ReCap Mesh tab, select the mesh and click on Promote to Family. Here you have different options such as Revit Family Template. You can browse and select any particular template that you would like to have. For this one, I will use the mechanical equipment template. We can give family a name. If you like, you can set up the reference level from project. and you can then click on OK. Once it's done, maybe you can unlink the mesh model once removed. And if you click on this, now you can see this equipment is added as a mechanical equipment family in Revit. If required, you can also edit the family and add the connectors as and when required. Thank you.